Everything went from bad to worse. Money never changed. It kept following, tracking us down. At least I heard your bluebird sing. Somebody's got to show their hand. That piece of energy. I knew you were long gone. I guess it must be up to me. If I thought about it, I never would have done it. At least I would have let it slide. If I'd paid attention to what others were thinking, the heart inside me would have died. I was just too stubborn to ever be governed by enforced insanity. Someone had to reach for the rising star. I guess it was up to me. Now the open center is pulling out. The open's all in bloom. I've only got me one good shirt left, and it smells of stale perfume. In 14 months I've only smiled once, and I didn't do it consciously. Someone had to unlock your heart. Guess it was up to me. I watched you slowly disappear down in the officers' club. I would have followed you in the door, but I didn't have a ticket stub. So I waited all night, did a prayer today, hoping one of us would get set free. When the dawn come over the river bridge, I knew it was up to me. The only decent thing I did when I worked as a postal clerk was to haul your picture down off the wall near the cage where I used to work. Was I a fool not to pretend that I just never did? You looked a little burned out, my friend. Guess it must be up to me. Well, I met somebody face to face. I had to remove my hat. She's everything I ever knew in love, but I can't be swayed by that. And it frightens me, the awful truth of how sweet life can be. She wasn't gonna make a scene, I guess it must be up to me. We heard the sermon on the mount, and knew it was too complex. It wouldn't even amount to anything more than what the broken glass reflects. When you bite out more than you can chew, you're doing pay to tea. Somebody had to tell the tale, I guess it was up to me. Dupree came in paper tonight at the Thunderbird Cafe. Crystal wanted to talk to him, and I had to look the other way. No, I just can't rest without your love. I need your company. You ain't gonna cross the line. I guess it must be up to me. There's a note left in the bottle. You can give it to Estelle. She's the one you've been asking about, but there really ain't much to tell. We both heard voices for a while. The rest is history. Somebody's gotta cry some tears. Guess it's up to me. So go on, boys, play your hand. Life is a pantomime. The ringleaders from the county seat say you don't have all that much time. And the girl behind me in the shades, she ain't my property. One of us has got to hit the road. I guess it must be up to me. If we ever meet again, baby, remember me. And my long guitar plays sweet for you, that old time melody. And that harmonica around my neck, I blew it for you free. No one else could play that tune. I guess it was up to me.